What's up, y'all? Dave here, Wild Hearts Farm. It is a frigid morning here in southeastern North Carolina, but I am headed over to I'm getting here at the barn. I've got the heater going, and I am gonna finally finish this barn up, or at least most of this barn. So I've been working on it for about a year now. I'm so close I can taste it. So I've got a chandelier still to hang, and I've got one more stall to trim out. So it's a horse stall. So I've got one of the horse stalls trimmed out. It was my own design. The doors, the inserts there. I really like it. So I'm going to show you guys what I did here, and then I'm going to build one more and knock that off the to-do list, and then on to hanging that chandelier and hopefully finish up this barn before the end of the year. But I've got the hustle. So come on, let me show you what we got. All right, y'all. So we have 4 stalls. 4 12 by 12 stalls in this barn on this side. I've got the 2 already trimmed out here. You can see I just use simple gates. I've got this one I still have to finish, and I'm going to do this one in the same style as I did this right here. So these are going to be the actual horse stalls. I'm going to put horses in any one of these stalls, but these we're trimming out a little bit nicer for our horses. So let me show you this design and some of the features. All right, y'all. So when I designed this, I wanted to have a lot of access to the stall itself, to the horses, without having to actually enter the stall itself. So one thing I did with the sliding door, I added this window to be able to fold down, just like that. So now you come in here, love on your horse, you can feed him some carrots, whatever, whatever you want to do. So that was the first kind of access point. The other one here, when you go to feed the horse, add any hay, I wanted to make this so you can just slide this up. Then you put a couple pins in here, and then you can add your grain, throw your hay in there, whatever you need to do. So 2 really good access points. Love the black hardware. That's really cool. Of course, it's a nice sliding barn door, really smooth. So that's it, pretty simple, but that was my design. I like it. So I have got one more stall to build out, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, here we go. All right, y'all, we're done. Super stoked. All the stalls are now trimmed out and ready for some horses. Heather's looking diligently to find a couple good trail riding horses. We've never had horses before. We're really excited about it because we do love to ride. But these stalls are done. Hope even got these really cool light fan combos from these stalls. You know, it gets really hot here in the summertime, and we're gonna want a fan going. We're gonna want some lights. So check out these really cool lights. So, you know, I picked these up, I think, at Wayfair, and they're really cool. I like them a lot. They just plug right in. I have them mounted up here in the corner of each stall, and they are run by remote control. So let me show you this. So check it out. You have your light. Ooh, yeah. And you've got your fan. So just another really cool addition to the stalls. That's both functional and looking really nice. All right, Joe. Well, thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked the video. You know, we've been so project heavy lately with these videos, but next year we're going to focus a little bit more on the farm, raising more of the animals, clearing some land, getting some pasture in place, getting some pigs, getting some cattle, starting to sell our meat to the community, which is going to be really cool. But chandeliers next. That video will be coming up. I had to put this thing together. It's got 48 bulbs, 48 little stems I had to put together. It was actually kind of crazy, but that's coming up next too. And this barn will be in a really good place, so I can start focusing on some other things. But again, thanks y'all for stopping by, and thanks for just joining us in building Wild Hearts Farm. Have a blessed day. God bless y'all.